We're dedicated to conservation, education, and quality animal care, which means that we do a variety of different tasks in our time, but a lot of it will be maintaining and rehabilitating animals that have been orphaned or injured in the wild and hopefully releasing them for later conservation efforts.
The lynx are the only cats native to Alaska. When they are born, the mother lynx usually keeps their babies under tree roots, fallen logs, anywhere with dense vegetation. The cat's usual fur color is grayish silvery brown, and their back legs are longer than their front ones, which make the lynx body structure stooped.
Well, typically the ages of lynx will vary depending on the population of what they're eating. So specifically in Alaska, you'll see a wide kind of correlation between the snowshoe hares specifically and the Alaskan lynx, which means that if there's a lot of snowshoe hares, they're going to probably live a little bit longer because they have a little bit more prey. However, if they don't, they're going to kind of fluctuate, and that cycle will happen every so often in the wild. Typically, they'll live to about mid-teens in captivity, but not quite as long in the wild. Typically, in what I've learned is that the females and males might not be as anymore kind of more territorial, but they are animals that tend to stick to themselves besides mating time. So what will happen is that specifically in our enclosure we have China and Venatai, and China will normally occupy the upstairs and Venatai will occupy the downstairs of their specific enclosure, and that's mostly because they are unfamiliar with each other and are used to kind of sticking to themselves and hunting specific territory. In Alaska, they'll typically feed on snowshoe hares if they're available, but they will also feed on other kind of small rodents like voles, ground squirrels, and things like that.